Hello students. Yesterday in the previous class we were discussing about the linear equations. Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. In previous class we were discussing about the linear equations, solving linear equations. Okay? Today we can discuss more problems on. Good morning everyone, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today we can discuss more problems on the solving linear equations. Okay? Today we can discuss more problems. As we have discussed in the previous class, today also we can solve more problems. The first one is, in this class we can have here discuss the given equations are not in the linear form. We should reduce them to the linear form and solve them. Okay? Here the first question is 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equal to 2. Divided by 3x equal to 2. That is the given question. Okay, this question is not in standard form, it is not in a linear form. We should reduce this equation to the linear form and solve this equation. Okay, here 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is there, division is there. Okay, after simplifying whether we get the same answer or not, we cannot tell it. First we should reduce to the linear form, standard linear form, then solve these equations. Okay, what we should do now? Reduce this equation to the standard linear form, then solve the equation. Here, division is there, shift to right side. Division is there, if we shift to right side, what it will become? 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3x. Division will become multiplication, 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x, you will get this one. Now what is this? What it will become? 8x minus 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, that is why 6x it will become. Now shift this 3 this side. What it will become? 8x equal to 6x minus 3 will become plus 3. Shift this 6x this side. It will become 8x minus 6x. 8x minus 6x equal to 3. Okay? 8x minus 6x, it is 2x. 2x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay? First what are we doing here? First we will reduce. We will simplify the given equation to the standard linear equation, then we will solve the equation. Here they have given in a fraction form this one. We will move this division is there on this side. We will move this side right side. This denominator will move right side. Division will become multiplication into 3x. Okay, into 3x it will become 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6x it will become. This side, it is in a standard linear form now. Okay? This equation is standard linear form. You just go on shifting the terms one by one right side. Keep the variables left side. So go on shifting one by one numbers right side and simplify that. Okay, what is here? Minus 3 will become plus 3 this side. 6x I will shift to that side because it is a variable term. Okay? 8x minus 6x is 2x. If you subtract 8 minus 6 is 2. That is why 2x it will become 2 into x. Multiplication will become division. Divided by 2 it will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the solution of this given linear equation. This is the way, same method what we followed in the previous class. But here the problems are in a different way given here. Problems are little complicated equations they are giving. It is not in standard form. That's why first we will reduce to the standard form. convert the given equation to the standard linear equation, then solve it. Understood? Same method. What is same method? Shift this terms this side, division will become multiplication. Again, after shift this 6x that side, addition will become subtraction, plus will become minus, subtraction will become addition. Okay, here like this, exchange the terms, shift all the numbers right side one by one, shift all the numbers right side one by one. Finally x value is 3/2. This is general method what we have followed in the previous class. Same method we are applying in this class also. Okay, this is general method of the solving linear equations. Now we can solve one more question here. 9x by 7 minus 6x. 9x by 7 minus 6x. 7 minus 6x equal to 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. Equal to 15. It is also not in standard linear equation. Okay, first we convert this given equation to the standard linear form, then we will solve the linear equation for x value. Okay, now here what is given? Question is 9x by divided by is given. If you move this right side, it will become multiplication. It will become multiplication. Division will become multiplication. 9x we will keep here only. Shift to the right side. 15 into bracket 7 minus 6x. 7 minus 6x equal to that one. Next one, multiply this one here. 15 7s are 15 6s are. How much you are getting? 15 7s are 105. 15 6s are 19. 9x equal to 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6s are 90x. Shift this 90x this side. What will I get here? 9x plus 90x equal to 105. 99x equal to 105. X equal to 105 divided by 99. Okay, what is here? First, what we are doing? Division is there now. We will shift to right side. We will shift this one to the right side, and division will become multiplication. 15 into bracket 7 minus 6x. 15 7 is 105. 15 6 is 90. Okay, 90x. Now 90x is there. Now we will shift to the variable left side. Minus will become plus. Already minus is there. Minus will become plus 90x. Now 90 plus 9, 99 it will become. 90 plus 9 is 99x. Now this 99x is 99 into x. Multiplication will become division, divided by 99. Both numbers are in L1 table. 105 and 99 in L1 table. L1 9s are, L1 5s are. Okay, 5 by 9. X equal to 5 by 9. We are getting here 105 by 99, or you can cancel this one by 3 table. Can you cancel this one by 3 table? L1 table not possible, no? 3 table. 3 33s are 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 3 5s are 15. 35 by 33 this one. We cannot cancel this one by L1 table. We can cancel this one by 3 table. Okay? X equal to 35 by 33. First what we are doing? I'll explain this one once again. Division is there, it will become multiplication, and multiply 7 15 to the both the terms. Here we will get again shift this minus 90x will become plus 90x this side. 9 plus 90 equal to 99x. Multiplication will become division. X equal to 105 divided by 99. Both numbers are in 3 table. Okay. This one 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 1 remains carry. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 35 by 33 is the value of x in this equation. Like this, first we will reduce to the linear form. This is the linear form of equation. Then we will go on simplifying one by one terms. Shift variable terms left side, constant numbers right side. Then we will get the finally we will get x values. In all terms, same method. Okay. We can solve one more question on this one. The next question is, what is the next question here? Z divided by z plus 15. Z divided by z plus 15 and z divided by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Equal to 4 by 9. Now here both sides of the fraction parts are there. In this one what we should do? We should shift denominator to the other side. Denominator of right side to the left side. Denominator of left side to the right side. Then it will become multiplication. Okay? It will become multiplication. Divided by 9 will become into 9 that side. Divided by z plus 15 will become into z plus 15 in this. Okay, we will shift these terms and simplify it now. Solve these linear equations. First we will convert to the standard linear equation. Then we will go on simplifying and find the z value in this equation. Now what is given here? Z into 9. We can cross multiply. Z into 9 is z into 9. If we shift right side, 4 into z plus 15. Division will become multiplication. Okay. Now what we are getting here? Z into 9 is 9z. 4 into z is 4z. 15 4s are 60. Plus is a plus is 60. You can get it. Shift this 4z this left side because variable is there. Okay. 9z minus 4z equal to 60. 9z minus 4z plus 4z will become minus 4z that side. What it will become now? 9z minus 4z is 5z. 5z equal to 60. Z equal to multiplication. 5z means 5 into z. Okay? Multiplication will become division. Divided by 60 divided by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are z equal to 12. Z equal to 12 we are getting here. Okay, this is the way to simplify the linear equations in standard form, converting them to the standard form and solving them. First, here also this one also denominator is a, this one also denominator is a. We will shift the denominator to other side and multiply them. Okay. 4 into this denominator, z into 9. Understood? Just multiply, shift this variable term left side because we should always shift variable terms left side, constant numbers right side. 9z minus 4z it will become 5z. Multiplication is there, it will become divided by 5. Into 5 will become divided by 5. Now division means it is cancellation. 5 ones are 5 twos are 60. That is why z equal to 12 is the answer. We can solve one more terminal, one more question. 3y plus 4 divided by 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y. 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Equal to minus 2 by 5. This is also same method what we done in the previous question. We'll shift the denominator to the other side and multiply that one. What is here? Like a cross multiplication. Numerator into denominator, this denominator. Numerator into this denominator. Okay, like a cross multiplication, you can multiply this one. What is here? 5 into here 3y plus 4 is there. Okay? Minus 2 into minus 2 is there. That's why we'll keep this side only. Minus 2 into what is in the denominator? 2 minus 6y. 2 minus 6y we are getting here. Now multiply the numbers and remove the brackets. Multiply these numbers to both the terms inside bracket and remove the bracket. What are we getting here? 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15y. 5 4s are 20. Minus 2 into plus 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. 2 in minus into minus plus. 2 6 are 12y. Okay? Here 15y is there, 12y is there. 12y you will shift to right side, left side, because it is a variable term. That is why we will shift this plus 12y, it will become minus 12y. What will we get here? 15y minus 12y. Plus will become minus. This plus will become minus that side. Minus 4 minus 20. Okay? Minus plus 20 will become minus 20 that side. What are we getting here? 15 minus 12, it is 3. Minus 4 minus 20, it will become minus 24. Okay? 15 minus 12 is 3y minus 24. Y equal to minus 24. Multiplication will become next division. Divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are. Y equal to 8. Minus is enough. Y equal to minus 8. The sign here is minus divided by plus minus only. That's why answer is 3 8s are 24. Answer is minus 8. This way we are solving this linear equations and first simplifying them, bringing to the standard for linear equation, then we will solve. First here also we will cross multiply this one and 5 into this numerator, this 2 minus 2 into this denominator. We will multiply and remove the brackets, then shift this variable terms one side. Okay, y variable terms one side, constant numbers another side. Okay, again subtract, again bring this constant term this side. Because to find the y value, only y should be there left side. Remaining all numbers will shift one by one right side. Here first multiplication is there last, it will become division. 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. That's why y equal to minus 8. Okay. can solve one more question on this one. What is the next question? 7y plus 4 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 equal to, what is the right side? Minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 4 divided by 3 we are getting here. In this one, here also the numerator and denominators are there. We will shift one by one terms the cross multiply here. First minus 4, this numerator and denominator will get a cross multiply and get the answers. 3 into numerator minus 4 into denominator. What you are getting here? 3 into 7y plus 4 equal to, what is here? Minus 4 into y plus 2. Okay. Next, multiply these numbers and remove the brackets. 2 times this denominator into numerator, this numerator into denominator. Cross multiplication. If we cross multiply and get the values, 3 7s are 21. 21y. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 4 into minus 4 into y is minus 4y. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. 4 2s are 8. Again, next step. Shift the variable terms left side, constant numbers right side. What is the variable terms here? 21y and 4y are there. Minus 4y will become plus 4y. If we shift this one, minus 4y will become plus 4y. Plus 12 will become minus 12 that side. Okay? 21y minus will become plus 4y. Minus 8 is I am keeping the same. Plus 12 will become minus 12. Minus 12 we are getting here. Now 21 plus 4, 25y equal to minus 20. When both are minus, we are adding the numbers. Minus 8, minus 12, both are minus. We should do addition. Okay? We are adding this number. The sign behind bigger number is minus, therefore answer is minus 20. Now 25 minus 25 into y. Multiplication will become division this side. Multiplication will become division. Y equal to minus 20 by 25. You can cancel by 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 5 5s are. Therefore, y equal to minus 4 by 5. Y equal to minus 4 by 5 is the answer. Like this, first we will cross multiply here also and multiply the numbers and remove the brackets. We are having the equation in the standard linear form. Then we will shift the variable terms one side, constant numbers right side. Simplify and get the y. Okay? You can see another question now. Next question is given in a word problem. You can write it. The question is, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Ratio of ages. What is the first? We'll write the given values. Ratio of ages equal to 5:7. They are given. What is next part? Hari and Harry is 5:7. 4 years from now. After 4 years. After 4 years means the present ages are. Present ages are. What it will become? Which the ratio means you should multiply one common number. Present ages are. Present ages of Hari and Harry. Hari and Harry. What is 5x means? Will become 5x and 7x. 5 is to 7 is there now. We will multiply one common number and write the values. Now 5 is to 7 is there. 5x and 7x will get the present ages. After how many years? 4 years later. 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years from now their ages will become 3:4. After 4 years. After 4 years, what is ratio? Ratio will become 3:4. The ratio will become 3:4. Now, present ages are 5x and 7x. After 4 years means plus 4, we should add this one. Plus 4 to the first number, Hari, plus 4 to the Harry also, because both are growing after 4 years. After 4 years, ratio is 3:4. What it will become? 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. Because it is a ratio they are given, so should take in the ratio form only. 3 divided by 4. Ratio can be written in a fraction form. Now what is here? After 4 years means plus 4 we are adding for the both the ages. Hari as well as Harry we are adding plus 4 because it is after 4 years. Now here also now it is converted to one equation. We will simplify this one by cross multiplication. What we done in the previous questions now? Same way here we have given word problem. And we are converting to the linear equation and solving this one. Understood? Now what is given here? 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. Ages after, ratio of the ages after 4 years. Plus 4 plus 4. It will become 3/4. 3:4 means 3/4. Now cross multiply and simplify this one. What will you get here? Denominator into numerator. This numerator into denominator is here. 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to 3 into what is here? 7x plus 4. Okay? This numerator into this denominator. This denominator into numerator. Cross multiplication. Now 4 5s are 20x. 4 5s are 20x. 4 4s are 16. Equal to 3 7s are 21x. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now same step next. It is in standard linear equation form. We will shift to variables one term, constant terms another side. Variable terms left side. Okay? 20x minus 21x plus will become minus 12x minus 16 plus will become again minus here. Okay? 20 minus 21 minus x because sign behind bigger number is minus, therefore minus 1x. Minus 1x means minus x. Now this 12 minus 16, it is a minus 4. If you multiply throughout by minus 1, we will get x equal to 4. X equal to 4 is the answer. Now what is the question here? What is the question? Find their present ages. Therefore present age is equal to what is here? Present age of Hari. Present age of Hari, how much? 5x is there, na? 5x. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20 years. Now what is the present age of Harry? How much it will become? 7x is there. 7x, no? 7 into 4. Present age of Harry. Present age of Harry equal to 7x. 7 into 4. That is 28 years. 28 years we are getting it. First understand the question. We'll explain this one once again. The ratio of Hari and Harry. The ratio of ages of Hari and Harry is 5:7. Therefore, present ages of Hari and Harry is 5x and 7x. Because we are converting this ratio to the actual ages. That's why we will multiply one common number x. We don't know what is exact value. Now, after 4 years means plus 4. We should add plus 4 for both the ages. 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. Their ratio of ages will become 3:4. 3:4 means it is a 3/4. Now cross multiply this, simplify, get x value. Now they are asking you to find the present age of Hari and present age of Harry. We have taken here present age of Hari as 5x, present age of Harry as 7x. Okay? Present age of Hari is 5x means 5 into 4. It is 20. Present age of Harry is 7x. 7 into 4. It is 7 4 28 years. Like this. Whatever, if it is a word problem also, we will convert it to the linear equation and solve that linear equation, find the required values. These are all linear equations, word problems. We will apply the given conditions in the question, convert to the linear equation, then we will solve the linear, find the required values. Whatever they are asking in the question, we will find those values. Okay. We can solve one more problem now. Okay, any doubts are there in this one? Any doubts are there in this one?